And for the next project, we got this 16-foot degelman blade here, and the cutting edges are pretty much done. So we got some fancy new 1-inch ones. They're 1 inch thick, 3/4 inch holes, hard surfaced on the front, carbide inserts. They are going to be nice. Won't have to change these for probably 5 years. So we're gonna zip all these old ones off, and we got this fancy magnetic drill here. We're gonna clamp that on and drill the holes, because right now they're 5/8. So we gotta drill them out to 3/4, because these are gonna have 3/4 inch bolts. And of course these are 3 and then 6 spacings, but we're gonna have 3 and then 12. So it'll have not all the holes filled, but that's fine. So I'm gonna get at her here, ripping the old ones off, and we'll go from there. Talk to you. Yeah, that's gonna be way nicer having that on there. Gotta get all this mud out of here. Look at it all. Where the hell did I leave that friggin' camera? No, I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached. Had it over here. Ah, there it is. What's up today, guys? Well, finally found my camera. I set down. Yeah, so we're not taking the beast out today. I already took this one out, plowed a little snow. Wasn't much to tell you, but we're not going to get to take the versatile out today, or the bisexual. Well, taking the 7810 out, I guess. Got to go blow some snows. So this one I got all done modifying, so we get to go test her out. Test her out on some leases. I think it'll work great. Big old box on her, keep the snow from floofing up. Chutes are covered in. It's nice outside. Yeah, we'll go make some snow dust. So, come along for the ride. Open, says me. Gotta give it some fuels. What an insane difference. 25 miles an hour feels way faster than 15 miles an hour. Just humming along here. Now we go and blow some snow. Not much snow left out here, Christ. It's been melting every day. Oh well, that's what you get when you don't blow the snow when it happens. You let it pile up and you let it melt and freeze again and get really, really hard. And then your chuck doesn't go through it so well, and then you get stuck, and then you gotta call for a blow. Oh well, late blow jobs are better than no blow jobs. Oh well, keep on keeping on here. I'll shoot some video when I get there. kind of hard to blow and record this all at the same time. sure blows snow. We'll give it that much. Blows rocks too. Ting, 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 ting. Well, not as much fun as the blade, but sometimes people don't want the blades, you bring the blower. Ah well, we'll get her. Well, wouldn't you know it? Sun goes down. Coming around the well here. One chute stopped working. What the heck? Here. Blew a shear pin. So that ain't no good. They're great big 3/4 inch bolts. Must have broken on the last one and just decided to fall out over here. So that's kind of good. And if I was a little better operator, I would have a shear pin in the tractor, but I can't find one. Idiot. So I get one hot shotted out here, I guess, because I ain't done. Sweet. They look like. I got one put in. Now I can get back to work. Snow blowing in the dark. It's not nearly as much fun as using a blade, but alright. You guys get the idea. I'm gonna shut the camera down before I hit something. Well, that's a wrap for today. I got a 15-mile drive, so I won't videotape that. I'll just get the video uploading, and by the time I get back to the shop, it'll be done. You guys can be watching it, so that's kind of cool. So I guess if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Get the bell on, so next time I get a video up, you know about it right away. You can be first. I got a couple of videos in the works here, so there will be more to come. Until next time, keep the dirty side down, boys and girls.